Hey guys, what's going on? Hope my mic's working this time. Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy King Joffy Joe here with another video for you guys. Super excited, I'm super duper excited because we have 500 subscribers, you know? Woo, boy! Fucking amp. That got me hyped. Yes, sir. 500 subscribers and growing. You know what I'm saying? It's starting to get a warm day. Today we got like 45. My girlfriend wants to go out to eat, so I said, yo, I got 500 subscribers. I gotta go make a video for my people. Woo!
I see you later.
Fucking imp. Alright, so today me and my girlfriend are gonna go out to eat. We're gonna go to Plan B. Plan B burgers. The Plan A for today is Plan B. So we're going to Plan B Burgers up in Springfield, Mass. It's right next door to the Basketball Hall of Fame. Some of you guys don't know, Springfield, Mass is the home of basketball. It's where it's invented at. Yeah, way back, you know what I'm saying, 19, whatever, you know. I didn't do the research on that and nothing like that, but Springfield, Mass. If you ever, you know what I'm saying, if you like, what is there to do in Springfield, Mass? Basketball Hall of Fame. You know what I'm saying? If you're a real basketball fan, you should come check out the Basketball Hall of Fame. It's actually the second one. We're on our second Basketball Hall of Fame, the new one. It's been up for a couple of years, but it's the new one. And the restaurant we're going to is in, like, the Basketball Hall of Fame has like an outdoor, like, plaza kind of thing, and the restaurant we're going to is in that plaza. Very soon, guys. Probably like next weekend I'll be taking her up to the shop to get a new tire put on, new rear tire put on, get my oil change done. I called already and see how much the price was on the back tire, and I was told $150 just for the tire, not even having to put on. So I'm thinking about the shop I go to, I know they charge $95 an hour for labor. So personally, me, I can put a tire on in like 30 minutes. Less than that, actually, like 10 minutes. But I say with taking a tire off of that, I'd give it 30 minutes. But when you own a shop, what they do is they like to get paid by the hour. So what they're going to do is they're going to let my freaking bike sit on the freaking lift for maybe 15 minutes and work on it for 30 minutes and let it sit on the lift for another 15 minutes. New intro. The intro, guys. What about my intro? Little something I put together, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Tox with the song for the intro. I got a couple other songs. You might hear a couple other songs from Tox that y'all hear me playing from now on. That's my homie from way back. Way back. My man TOX. I got a new logo. Brand new logo coming soon. That should be that's actually being in the process of being made right as we speak right now. So you know what I'm saying, I got a logo coming up, I got my intro, I got my 2 cameras, you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to bring the channel to the next level, you know what I'm saying. 2 cameras, my logo, my intro. I'm gonna do a little tweaking on the intro, get a little more footage. I got a drone, I'm gonna put the drone up in the air, get some footage of me doing some stuff on the drone, put that in the intro. I got about to be starting a Patreon account. I already have one, but I really haven't done nothing to it yet, so I'm gonna be starting one of those soon. little nippy when you pick up speed. Little nippy. Little nipsky. There's my girlfriend.
I see you later.
Alright guys, here we go. Back to a Hall of Fame. See it shaped like a big basketball?